Hey everybody, welcome to video number 3 of our outdoor kitchen build. We added a Grilla Grills Kong ceramic Kamado style grill to the end of the outdoor kitchen. The Kong is a Kamado or egg type grill that's made from heavy duty ceramic, and these type of grills are considered high quality grills, and they cost somewhere in the vicinity of like $850. Even at that price, there are several desirable options that make the Kong grill a good bang for the buck. Fueled by lumped charcoal, the Kong gives excellent flavor when you're smoking, grilling, or roasting. And I want to talk a little bit about the features that make the Kong stand out as a top pick for a ready-to-use Kamado type style grill. First of all, it's not a small grill. It's 49 inches high, it's 56 inches wide, 30 inches deep, and 213 pounds. Kong grill ships it directly to your house. It comes on a little pallet. Eliminate the need for you to lug around 100 pounds, a couple hundred pounds in your truck or your car or whatever from the store. The Kong is packaged extremely well, keeping the ceramic grill safe and orderly pretty much, and I was impressed how they packaged it. It comes apart, the packaging comes apart easy, and it reveals all the pieces for assembly. Now my first thoughts, when we removed the grill from the pallet, it just has a really nice fit and finish. Assembly was easy, spot on, didn't take more than an hour. The black ceramic coating is eye-catching, and it's just going to be a great addition to the outdoor kitchen project. The Kong's legs, they also refer to them as a nest, or the nest. They're constructed from stainless steel and stainless steel screws as well, and they go together quickly with included tools. And we liked the Kong high quality double locking castor wheels as well. The wheels, made from soft rubber, are sturdy and robust, and they're the kind of rubber that really kind of hold their grip on a composite deck, for example, and don't leave marks when moved around. 2 of the castors also are double locking, so they won't swivel or move, and this means that you can lock them down, it won't turn, it won't swivel, it won't move, and it's just not going to move around. And the double locking castors we found held the grill tightly in position, which I think is especially important for a 200+ pound grill. You don't want that thing moving around on your deck or patio. It has some stainless steel straps, mounting straps, and the Kong has them top and bottom, and there's ridges in the ceramic for those straps to kind of index into. This is important because other Kamado grills do not offer that. Some of them don't, and many models just simply rely on the pressure of the strap. A Kamado without a strap ridge or an index will require a little bit more maintenance when it comes to keeping the straps tight, so the top doesn't fall out or move around, and you don't want the damn thing to fall and crack, that's for sure. The ridges on the Kong significantly reduce the chances of it falling, the top falling off and away from those steel straps. The Kong grill is also equipped with a stainless steel rear opening spring assisted hinge. There's actually 2 hinges that assist in lifting the heavy ceramic cover and stop the top in a perfectly neutral vertical location where it will not kind of hyperextend or come crashing down on you. Another smart feature on the Kong comes with its stainless steel front closing pin. Although this smoker does not lock shut, the top is heavy enough pretty much to prevent smoke loss or an animal or a young child to be able to lift and open it. If the top of the Kong was opened and maybe came crashing down or slipped out of your hands or something, the shock absorbing closing pin, it's like a piston, will reduce some of that force and could prevent the top from cracking. It seemed to work pretty well when we tested it. The grill comes with 0.19 millimeter thick 304 stainless steel grids that are thick. In addition, the front portion of the grill or the grate lifts up, and we can't stress how convenient feature that is, because if you want to add more charcoal or you need to move something around, everything can be in the cooking area and you can actually get good access there. Additionally, there's an upper and lower cooking surface. The lower cooking surface is about 20.5 inches wide, top is about 20 inches wide. The top grid can easily be removed if you're not using it or if it's in the way. And while testing, we found that we gravitated towards using the lower grid, cooking grid. If cooking a large amount of food for a party though, having a second top grid can add a lot of extra cooking space or different temperatures and stuff like that. Now the temperature is controlled by a top vented wheel and a bottom slider adjustment. Both adjustments are important as they kind of create the stack effect for air to flow from the bottom and out the top of the grill. The upper vent wheel is constructed from thick cast aluminum, really robust, really well made. It has easy to read settings on it, and it's easy to adjust. There is a Phillips head screw on the inside of it if you want to set it or maybe make it a little tighter or so it doesn't move or make it more friction. Now the bottom slider is stainless steel, easy to read settings as well, and that moves smoothly without getting hung up on anything. The temperature gauge on the grill is easy to read, and we tested it and found it to be accurate. For testing, we heated up the Kong and used an infrared thermometer to check the inside of the grill once it was heated up. Came up like 275 degrees, which matched the temperature gauge. Having an accurate temperature gauge is super important, and especially when you're grilling, or even more so when you're smoking. Most Kamado grills are made from ceramic, but wall thicknesses can vary. So the thicker the ceramic, the better insulation the grill is. So a well-insulated Kamado grill is going to clearly retain heat longer and use less charcoal. And this is especially handy on those low and slow, long overnight smokes where you don't want to have to get up and do anything to it. So although I couldn't get a reading in the middle of the ceramic because it was just too thick, we did get some readings. We were able to measure the edge of the thing. It's 1.25 inches thick. And with the infrared thermometer, we took some temperatures. The outside temperature of the top of the grill was 165, and the outside of the bottom was 138 Fahrenheit, and the inside was 275. Now, although these numbers fluctuate and basically can depend on how long you're burning and cooking and all that stuff, our testing shows that it's definitely well insulated. It comes with an ash tool to remove the ashes from the bottom slider, but it doubles really nice as a kind of a charcoal tending tool and a grate flipper. We like that dual use. There is a laser etched wood handle that doesn't radiate heat and allows you to open and close the grill without gloves. In addition, the laser etched wood folding shelves for both sides of the Kong can be mounted, and they have stainless steel hardware. And having folding shelves is useful for a feature, especially if you're using the legs and you're setting up on a patio and you can place items left and right and you have a workstation. We're not using that on our outdoor grill as much. Warranty. It comes with a lifetime warranty on ceramics and a 4-year warranty on everything else. And the customer service is based out of here in the US. And when comparing the Kamado grills, I think this is a pretty straightforward warranty. It was 4 years, was pretty nice. As far as room for improvement on the grill, although the vent adjuster is nicely constructed, the type of adjuster can allow for a small amount of rain or snow maybe to get into the grill or when you're cooking. I'm not sure if it's possible, but I'd love to see the vent adjuster kind of made so it prevents water intrusion from the top down. That'd be a really nice update if Kong could figure that one out. As far as final thoughts on this grill, Grilla Grill's Kong Ceramic Kamado grill is, fueled by lump charcoal. It provides excellent smoke flavor, unmatched by my previous electric smoker that I had. We found that it was high quality, it's feature rich. The black coating on it looks great. It's a really nice coating on it. It's a great finish. It's priced at $849.99 at the time that we made this video, and they ship it right to your door, which I think is an excellent value, and I feel that it kind of completes, the grill itself completes our outdoor project build. Guys, that's it for this video. The next video, we're going to talk about the stone that we used to apply in the video, and that will be our last video. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment. What'd you think of the outdoor build so far? And please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future content. I appreciate the support. We'll see you at the next video. Take care.